What if I tell you that everything depends on your intuition to change yourself? Your determination and enthusiasm decides whether you really want to change yourself. And for that, even every day can bring the change. I mean, why do you want to change your life in 10 days when you can change your life this very moment? Right now, right this second. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Biba NBC in case you're new to my channel, and if you're not, thank you so much for sticking around. Before we jump into today's video, please kindly subscribe if you haven't, like, comment and share. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. First of all, congratulations. You might have realized that something is terribly wrong with your life direction, and Jehovah wants to change that as soon as possible. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how to change your life in 10 days when you feel stuck. So go grab a popcorn and champagne if you like, sit back and let's get right into it. What if I tell you that everything depends on your intuition to change yourself? Your determination and enthusiasm decides whether you really want to change yourself. And for that, even every day can bring the change. I mean, why do you want to change your life in 10 days when you can change your life this very moment? Right now, right this second. Forget about the 5 or 10 days, forget about the 5 or 10 weeks, forget about the month, forget about the year. You're trying to lose some weight, eat healthy, and make time for exercise. You know the kind of exercises to do in order for you to lose weight, or the difference between healthy and unhealthy food. Google it. Make a research about it right now. You want to learn a new skill or pick up a new hobby? Get started right now. You want to stop complaining? Go on a gratitude challenge. Look for something in your life to give thanks for every day. You want to drop an addiction? Look for something positive to do once you feel the urge to do what you want to drop. You want to be more social? Go out every day, make friends, and make sacrifices to keep your friends. Just get started right now. Every time you catch yourself thinking like, oh, I'm in a rut, or I'm worthless, or things are taking too long to, or I'm never going to, anything else along this line, all you have to do is get started right now. Do it broke, do it sad, do it tired, do it confused, just do it today, because today is all you can control. Yesterday is gone and tomorrow hasn't happened yet. If every time you feel worthless, you do something personally valuable, instead of thinking about it, you'll see how your personal value will skyrocket. So the first step we are going to take if we want to improve our lives is simply by changing our attitude towards life. Attitude is the most important deciding factor of one's life quality. If you're mean, try to be kind. Be patient, honest, humble, truthful, justified, and above all, positive. Yes, all this can happen in a single moment, but it doesn't always happen due to our ego. So if you want to change the quality of your life, first put down your ego and accept yourself. Accept the natural qualities that nature has given to you. Then slowly your attitude towards life will become more positive. The second step is what I call the no anger rule. If we really want to change our lives, we have to stop saying stupid words, reactions, seeing people's mistakes, tiredness, irritation. All these has to stop. No matter what situation or circumstances, don't ever show anger. Stay calm and react in peace. Anger destroys your peace of mind more than anything. So if you want your life to change in 10 days, avoid getting angry or any of the things I've just listed out. The third step is stop showing doubt on yourself. If you're fond of using words like, I can't do this, I can't do that, I lack this, I lack that, it's impossible, life is so tough, how can I do this on my own, I can't do that, please stop it. What you don't know is you're putting limitations within yourself. No matter what, learn to think and speak positive things to yourself or any situations you are in. The fourth step is what I call the 10-minute zero thoughts. I know with the present situation we are in, it's so easy for us to impose ourselves with various kinds of thoughts. See, it's better if we can realize our thoughts and eliminate them one by one. Nothing matters in those 10 minutes than be free. Just reject and throw each one of them out. Be it a lover, friends, family, movie, crush, just stay blank, smile, and relax for only 10 minutes each day. The fifth step is look at the mirror and appreciate yourself every day. Girl, look at that mirror and praise yourself. Show some respect to your life and existence. I am what I am. I am so unique. I respect every circumstances in my life and I am valuable. Please try as much as possible to speak positive affirmations to yourself every day. Look into that mirror and praise yourself one more time. Always value your life beyond people, things, and points. Okay? The last step is fix your time for everything. Fix the time you want to wake up. Fix the time for breakfast, family time, leisure, physical activity, work, reading time, bathing, and all that. Fix that time. Assign a digit to the clock to each and relentlessly follow the clock. Don't miss your target. I do it and it really helps me. So my final advice is try to focus on your smaller goals first. Like you have to change with your day-to-day activities, your habits, which is the smallest unit of your personality. Begin by setting goals for yourself, what you really want to be, how you want to see yourself, and then the magic begins. Change your one day, then that one day will change your entire life. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video or episode. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I love you guys. No, before that, subscribe if you haven't. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Do let me know if you want me to create any content or anything that resonates with your personal life or something that is troubling you or something you're struggling with. Let me know in the comment section down below if you really want me to create anything that related to that. I'm here to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.